Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 3, that is reproduction in animals. We had already discussed all the topics of this chapter. Today, we will discuss about the words to remember. There are certain words which you have to remember after finishing this chapter. So the first word is reproduction. So what is reproduction, class? The process by which an organism gives birth to their young ones or gives birth to an organism of their own kind. This is called process of reproduction. The second word is mammals. So mammals are the animals which give birth to young ones and feed them with their milk. The third word is nymph. So nymph is an organism which comes out from the egg and it resembles the parents. Means it looks like their parent. The next word is larva. That is the young ones which comes out from the egg, but it doesn't look like the parent. Like in case of butterfly, from the egg comes out caterpillar or larva. The next word is molting. So molting is the process of shedding off skin. Shedding off skin is called molting. The next word is metamorphosis. So metamorphosis is the process in which an immature young one develops into an adult. Transformation of an immature young one into an adult is called metamorphosis. So these are the some words you have to remember after learning this chapter. Now the next question is choose the correct answer. From the exercises we have to discuss that also. So question number 1. The first question is the process by which the continuity of a species is maintained is called. So we have to give the name of the process by which the continuity of a species is maintained. So the answer is reproduction. The next is in a bird's egg, embryo get nourishment through. From where? From the yolk, as we discussed at the time of discussion of structure of an egg. The next question is the egg cluster of a frog develops in an. So the answer is tadpole. The egg cluster of a frog develops into a tadpole. Now comes the question number 4. The larva of a butterfly is called what? Caterpillar. We just discussed in the words to remember. Next, the process by which an insect sheds off its old skin is called, as we discussed in the words to remember, the word is molting. An animal that does not reproduce by giving birth to young one is, this is question number 6, that an animal that does not reproduce by giving birth to young one is, the answer is duck-billed platypus. It's a mammal which lays eggs. Next question, that is 7. A marine mammal among the following is. So there are options are given. Among these options, whale number 1, number 2 dolphin, number 3 both of these, next is none of these. So the answer is both of these, whale and dolphin. Both are mammals and they both live where? In the sea water, that is marine and mammals. Question number 8. The group of animals that takes the best care of its young ones. So last day we discussed about mammals and taking care of the young ones. So mammals are the best category of animals which take care of their young ones. The next question 9, that is the statement not true about mammals is, there are certain statements that are given. One of the statements is not true about mammals. So mammals have hair on their body, mammals have warm-blooded animals, mammals take care of their babies, but mammals are not cold-blooded animals. So this is the incorrect information or not true, that mammals are what? They are not cold-blooded animals. Next question. Insects reproduce by laying eggs. Insects reproduce by laying eggs. As we discussed about cockroach and butterfly. So class, I hope you all understand these two topics. Any problem, ask me in the group. I will help you. Have a great day class. Be safe at home. Thank you.